Jet 583 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left.
Your frequency is 12547, the rest is unchanged.
Okay, after departure, we're heading 175 now, radar vector, it's the same route at 2545, Gamma Jet 882.
2547 for Gamma Jet 882 on the frequency, 2547.
2547, 882.
Jet 882, thanks, read that correct, runway 19er left, line up and wait for traffic.
2787, runway 26 right up Bravo 1, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right up Bravo 1, line up and wait southwest, 2787.
Frontier 2046 Las Vegas Tower, I may have you guys also go from Bravo 1. Can you guys do that?
We have the performance, we're just going to need to be able to get past L there.
You're not going to be able to make the turn?
We need a little more room from front of Delta.
They can pull up to the line, we can make the turn, no problem.
1659, your time's 40 to 43, so I still got a few minutes for you. Can you just pull up to as close to that line as you can?
Delta 1659, moving.
Thanks, guys.
Going 264, we're all set.
264, okay, thanks, it's going to be a few.
Okay, thank you.
At 882, you were not cleared for takeoff. What are you doing?
That's my mistake, 882.
882, hold your position.
1018, connect departure on 125.9er.
Departure so long, American. 1018, we'll see you.
Make this right, Jet 882.
Jet 882, can you still accept the clearance from your present position?
882, affirmative.
Jet 882, wind is 360 at 419 left at November. We're cleared for takeoff.
Take off at November 882.
Jet 583, hold short of runway 26 right.
Jet 583, short of 26 right.
Jet 1006, turn left at Yankee, Bravo, hold short of runway 19 left, departing traffic.
Left at Yankee, short of 19, left United 1006.
Jet 599, Las Vegas Tower.
Jet 599.